This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by isolating the rattle source with gentle shaking and listening across different keys. Use basic tools like a keycap puller, small Phillips screwdriver, foam tape, and soft brush. Document the keyboard model and whether it is mechanical or membrane before disassembly. Check loose stabilizers under large keys. Stabilizer noise often mimics general rattle sounds. Remove keycaps and press each switch by hand to reproduce movement and pinpoint the issue. Take photos during disassembly to ensure correct reassembly and avoid losing small parts. First, try foam dampening under the PCB or plate to absorb vibration. Apply thin dielectric grease to stabilizer stems and metal wire to eliminate wobble and noise. For switch noise, open one switch and add a tiny foam pad inside the housing. Tighten case screws and check switching between plate-mounted and tray-mounted configurations for resonance. Replace aging stabilizers or clips, and solder loose components if the PCB connection is unstable. Test after each change by pressing keys and gently shaking the keyboard to confirm rattle removal. Reassemble carefully using your photos and tighten screws to manufacture torque if available. If rattling persists after foam and lube, suspect loose mounts, warped plate, or bent standoffs. Consider swapping the plate or trying a different case to change resonance characteristics and fix noise. Check warranty and contact the manufacturer before modifying soldered components or opening sealed units. Use keycap foam, shelf liner, or 1.5 mm neoprene to dampen spaces under keycaps as preventive measures. If uncomfortable with soldering or PCB repair, consult a professional to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.